Welcome to Virtual Learning. Today we'll be discussing the introduction to C programming language. The structure of C program. Let's understand the structure of C program, how it looks like. Every C program contains a number of building blocks known as the functions. Each function of it perform a specific task. Like on top, we recommend we should have a header file. Then we have global declaration like variables and other declarations. Then we have two types of coding we can go for making a C program. We can go for wide main, declaration part, execution parts, user defined functions, body of function, etc. And otherwise we can go for into main, declaration function, return 0. We'll be discussing difference of wide and int in subsequent sessions. For the time being, you can understand there are two modes of writing a program. We'll be wrapping this mode for making a program and running it on compiler. Now understand header files. Why we require header files and all. C program depend upon some header files for function definition that are used in the program. Each header file has an extension with .h. Header file include at the beginning of the program in the C language. This file should be included using #include directive as given below. Means if you want to using this studio.h header file, we have to write like this: #include stdio.h or include in double quotes stdio.h. Global declaration section where you can declare global variables. We'll be seeing this declaration in subsequent sessions. Function main, in every C program we must have a main function. Main in other way you can say the starting point of a C language program. Declaration part. Then we have after declaration we have executable parts, the code which need to be executed. And you may contain user defined functions other than main function. Body of function is the area where you define the functionality of a respective function. Comments is useful to make your program more readable to other developer or programmer. Comments are not necessary in program to run, but it's useful to define or explain this functionality of respective code. For single line we make comments like / star, then comment, then star / and subsequent examples are available. Rules, we have to take care the basic things. Every program should have a main function. C command should have terminated with a semicolon. All statements should be written in lower letter. In other way you can say it's a C programming is a case sensitive. Blank space may be inserted between the words. Will lead to the improvement of readability of the statement. However, this is not applicable while declaring variables, keyword and constants. Constant and functions means this declaration should not be having any space in between. Means if you are making a variable name should not carry any space. Not necessary to fix the position of the statement of the program. The programmer can write the statement anywhere between the two brackets following the declaration part. The opening and closing bracket should be balanced. If the opening brackets are 4, the closing bracket should be 4. Subsequent bracket pattern should be match. The execution program is source program, preprocessor, compiler, source code. Error, if error is there, this compiler will display the error. If error is not there, linking process will get started and object code get created. Then object code get the output on the program. Via object code you get the output of the program. Like an example, that's if you write a program display hello world, hello from learning on cloud, etc. Include #include stdio wide main printf hello from this. When you compile and run it, it's display like hello from learning on cloud, etc. Whatever the message you want to display. Explanation is like this: printf statement used to display message to end user after compilation. We'll be seeing the multiple use of printf in subsequent examples. The compiler options are available depending on the compiler which you are using. The comments, again, CLR SCR is a function to clear the screen. As if you are running your program multiple times, sometimes if you are not using clear SCR, it will display the old output also before displaying your current program output. Though currently we are using Turbo, the bold end C++ compiler, Turbo C++, you can say version 3.0. You can use any compiler depending on your requirement, but in subsequent demos we'll be referring this compiler for demonstrations. Then conio.h is another header file which we are going to use. Header files are there. Let's see the practical. I created one code earlier. Let's understand the code. Hash include stdio is a header file which we are using. Void main is a function which I created. Between the brackets I added clear SCR for creating displaying the or clearing the screen before printing your hello world. Get ch is a function which wait till you get key press from your keyboard. So we can use comments. So we can compile it first. Alt F9 is a shortcut here, and compile it. If it error, display error, and then you run it. Run. Hello world is there. So if you are not using this, if I make it comment, new world, then compile it. If for any error, then I say run it. If you're not using clear SCR, CLR SCR, it will carry your last output also before displaying your current output. So if I make it uncomment and then compile it, run it, it clear your screen before displaying your current output. And if you're not using getch, what you'll do, it double slash we can use for displaying making comments. So I'd say compile, and then I run it. It will not wait for you for displaying the result, though result has been published earlier. So if I say let me see the last output also, I say I don't want color CLR function should be executed. I say new word message, I say compile, run it. Hello new word earlier was executed, but it's not displayed because we are using getcs function. Now we have to use getcs function. It wait till we press any key from keyboard. I hope it's clear to you. We will be discussing this more complex function in subsequent sessions. Have a good day.